What is an app? An app is a software program primarily developed for handheld smart devices such as mobile and tablet. It helps the user to perform their personal and professional tasks more effectively. The app is a modern term derived from the word application. Generally, the word app is used to refer to the applications on smart devices such as mobiles and tablets. Thousands of apps are available for smart devices. Most of the apps are freely downloadable from App Store. However, some of the apps need to be purchased from the App Store. The three most popular app stores are Google's Play Store, Apple's App Store, and Microsoft Store. However, the Windows Store is not in use for mobile devices, but can download the apps for your computer from the Windows Store. There are mainly three types of applications, which are desktop. The application that is mainly developed for computer or laptop is called a desktop application. This type of application depends on the hardware and operating system on which it runs. It is usually developed for a particular operating system. Some of the examples of desktop applications are Paint, Notepad, and Word. Mobile application, also known as mobile app, is software program that is developed for handheld devices such as smartphones and tablets. These apps are installed and run on the device itself. Some of the examples of mobile apps are Snapchat, WhatsApp, and Facebook Messenger. A web app is an application program that is stored on a remote server and accessed over the internet through a web browser interface. Some of the mobile apps and web apps look and work in same way, with very little difference between them. However, these two are very different from each other. One of the major differences is that the web apps require an internet connection to work.